Want to know exactly who has access to your Google Drive files? Whether it's for privacy, collaboration, or just peace of mind, this guide will show you step by step how to check file access in Google Drive so you stay in full control. By the end, you'll be able to spot every viewer, commenter, or editor in seconds. Let's dive right in. First, open your Google Drive and locate the file or folder you want to check. This could be a document, a spreadsheet, or even a folder containing multiple files. Once you find it, right-click on it and choose Share from the menu. Here, you'll see a list of people who currently have access. Each person will have a label next to their name, like viewer, commenter, or editor, which tells you exactly what they can do with your file. If your file is set to restricted, only the people you've added manually will appear in this list. But if the link sharing is turned on, like anyone with the link, you'll see that here as well. This means anyone who has that link can access your file, depending on the permissions you set. Now, what if you want more details or want to manage who stays on this list? Click on the gear icon settings in the sharing window. Here, you can check if editors can share the file further, or if viewers can download or print it. For folders, the process is the same, but remember, changing access at the folder level can also affect the files inside that folder. And here's a pro tip. If you're part of a Google workspace, like in an office or school, you might also see access controlled by your organization. In that case, you may need admin rights to fully manage sharing. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you can see exactly who has access to your Google Drive files and take back control of your privacy. If you found this guide helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more easy tutorials, and let me know in the comments, do you prefer keeping your files private or sharing them for collaboration? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.